Hi, my name is Kim Basa. I'm the founder of KB Wellness and I'm also a certified integrative nutrition health coach. KB Wellness is located in Silang, Cavite, and I've been in the industry for 10 years now. My business specializes in gut health, metabolic health, and in the prevention of lifestyle diseases. My experience with Faxcable has been so positive that I would like to confidently and happily recommend them to any business owner or solopreneurs like me who are also looking for good gadgets and laptops and IT equipment to start their business like this, a laptop, mouse, external drive, and of course the printer and the ink. So lahat yan, nag-start ako mag-build ng tools of work ko by getting from Faxcable. Yung problem na saan ka kukuha ng reliable supplier para sa laptop mo, and kasi marami namang supplier, diba? Sa mall, magpunta ka lang, ang daming retail store for laptops and gadgets and printers. But the question is, paano yung customer support nila? So pag nagka-problem, gaano ba sila kabilis lapitan or tawagan at masupport ako dun sa technical issues na meron ako sa mga products na binili ko sa kanila. With Faxcable, na-solve yung problem na yon kasi alam ko na meron silang very good customer service and reliable tech support team. Kahit ano lang yung experience ko na problem, no, magte-text lang ako or chat lang ako with their customer service, and then meron agad sagot. And then pag kailangan naman ng i-check mismo yung unit, ni-schedule agad ako ng actual visit doon sa kanilang branch sa Green Hills Mall. Yung problem ng tech support team, kasi as solopreneur, wala akong sariling IT team. So, syempre, pag naka-encounter ako ng problem sa laptop or in the printer, no, nandiyan agad si Faxcable. So, tatawagan ko lang. So, it's like they're filling up that customer support and tech support team for me. If you are a business owner like me and you want to be sure you would like to get good IT products, equipment, and gadgets, and at the same time, meron tong customer service and tech support, choose Faxcable. You can check it out. You can check the retail store personally at the 4th floor of Green Hills Mall and see it for yourself. And pag nakausap niyo yung kanilang customer support and yung sales team nila, talagang kayo makakapagsabi na magiging trusted supplier nyo sila for your needs. Yeah, I want to thank Faxcable for being my reliable partner with my IT equipment and gadgets for my business. So far, my 3-year experience partnering with Faxcable has been so positive, and really, I'm so happy with your service and customer support. And of course, if you want to if you're looking for health coaching services, you can check out my website, https://kbwellness.ph, and you can also check out my Facebook page. On my website, you can also book a free discovery call if you have health issues. For example, you have high blood pressure, you have type 2 diabetes, and you want to be better naturally. You can book a free discovery call with me through the website's appointment portal.